Welcome back to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now if you're new, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Not surprisingly enough, the media has heard from Leoda Bradshaw. We have even heard from someone who alleged to be Leoda Bradshaw's mother. But we have not heard from the family of Toshyna Patterson, the baby mother, whose life was taken by the other jealous baby mother, and who now we have found out was forced to watch her own child's life, her first child's life, be taken in front of her very own eyes. Now, I'm hear from our family, who is pointing out that they have heard reports or statements on social media making Toshyna look like she was some type of side chick who was with Paulwell for his money. Her family is pointing out that she was a university graduate. She was a business owner. She was a hard-working member of the Jamaican society, and justice must be served. Me and hear from our family, and they will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
Keep a candlelight visual fear. I want to do a candlelight visual fear. I'm ready to spend some money on it too. I don't need Paul to spend the money. Listen,
a lot of things that they're talking about, what the man done, they're lying on him. They're lying on him because this video that they say they have on the man who can destroy him, nothing don't go like
Not
that.
A video.
He's my cousin and he's my cousin. He have a sex video with, man and woman make a video.
Yeah, them in the make video too in the past. So no. So big up Paul will make a sex video. So them can't find a video with him and a man, but them can't find a video with him and your niece. And at that bundy girl, cause Paul will never make no video with she. So she say, oh, Paul will make video with you and me make no video with me. So that get to her head. And me tell the woman them say them for make sure them for share man. But that little girl they know to your niece go sexier and prettier and younger, and then she go breathe and the favor Paul will, and Paul will mind up the picnic. Cause me don't know everything already, Queen. So I'm glad you come and you confirm everything what me tell the people. Oh, Emperor Liar tell nothing like that. Go pay your people if you forget no news. When me pay my money, me I forget good news.
Yeah, so when they're saying all these stuff, they're just lying. So that's the video that they send. When she died the Saturday night, and they send out that video the Sunday. That's the video they have. Yeah.
Cause what them doing now? Them carry go shoot she and the baby different places, and then them carry the body up there so go burn it. Cause me talk to all of the people them, and me talk to even look a man down on the front there. Him say him see the fire up there in the night, but him checks out burn the people, him burn normal rubbish catch them up there so them place. You understand? And then him say him see when the car drive past. You understand? But him never take it for nothing no. You understand? So at the end of the day, my queen, a wickedness.
The police them need to use their psychology and investigate how they know, because they're not from the area. So how they know they can go up there and burn? How much time they done it before? That's what they need to investigate. How much time they done it before? Because for them just leave from them area and go into somebody else's area and they know where to go, it's not the first time.
Yes, you understand? Let them know that little spot there. You understand? And then the poor innocent people them are up there that know nothing about it. So the people them called me and say, Emperor, now so come clear up on him because we don't know nothing about this. So, cause you know, say, just look a bit down the road, you know, from where it happened. You have a soldier, a soldier youth live down there, and him brother now look a bit down the road is a police what have him farm and them thing there, and then up here independent they have a look well live up at the top. They have a look Rasta man who have him look a business. Up here independent people live up there. So when people hear about Warwick Hill and checks out some boogie yaga people over there, nothing like that, my girl. I just the government is not dealing with the people up the right choose up there is a long time maroon stronghold. So the British government now want to fix up Warwick Hill and out of East, because out there was one of the maroon stronghold who rebel against the government. So until today, Warwick Hill people them still face it. Not even water up there. You know, say between me yo, the best time for Warwick Hill people them out there, so when Paulwell was in power out there, Paulwell used to make them get water, so the people them love Paulwell out there. So Warwick Hill now have nothing for fight. The people them call and say you must be mad, because the new MP were out there was named Miss Kitty. I mean, nobody believe what you Miss Kitty me talk, yes, and Miss Kitty them call her the new MP out there. She not go out with nothing out there. She have the people that suffer out there, the people that lick out Paulwell, they make water and everything up there. So them people now do Paulwell. Yo, listen, my auntie. Your niece was a good girl. I'ma feel it. That's why I'm go so hard. Cause when I start to run her background, and then I talk like she was a little scumming her. No, your niece have her college degree. She have her almost a cleaning business or something like that. But people say she won. You understand?
She do the pest side where she go around and kill, spray out all the building them and get rid of all insect and all these things.
Alright. So say me now hear nothing wrong. You understand?
That's what she do.
And that a big money business. Cause the last time me have a look up I look up farm there. What me there do? I'm call the man for come pesticide down the place. If you want how much money the man charge me, I have to pay him because I don't want the termite them down the full cub. And them the building inside it.
So that's the company that she have.
And she was the CEO. She was the CEO, the founder, and the boss.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
So she never need to go for scam no money or blackmail nobody for the money, and she love Paulwell and Paulwell they love her.
No.
Paulwell mind up in Pitney, one up in Pitney. And when the dirty girl see the sex video. Cause me nah go behind the people. Oh, they mad. A wickedness that. And guess what now? Them shoot the little baby, my queen, mom, you know more cry, and then shoot the woman. You know them could have arrested. So just God forbid it and God forgive it. I know how you feel away, mama. But if them say them gonna shoot your cousin now, and left your little niece, the little baby behind. You understand? But you shoot the mother and shoot the baby how much time? What innocent baby can do if you shoot the baby?
Because the motive was to get rid of the baby. That's our motive, to get rid of the baby.
Yeah.
Maybe if she wasn't have the baby, she would even think about her. Is the motive to get rid of the baby?
And the baby, because the baby so fear, you know, so the baby favor Paulwell more than no fear baby. And you know, so wouldn't mind Paulwell take a DNA with fear baby. Not that made this, you know. Because baby a pitney, we don't want to get pitney in the argument, but I feel say Phillip Paulwell take a DNA with a little girl there who she gone a prison left. Yes, and him find out say something different. Because I remember see me a science man, you know. Me have to tell her something. Because I see the picture of your little girl up. But yes, and because mama one thing with the emperor, you know. Ask anybody. I just want to know because you say you used to send me credit.
Yeah, I've been watching you from your Ninja Man was fat when he was worried with Ninja Man.
Yeah, when me kick off with Ninja Man, I have to run him down with the cutlass. Boy, a long time, you see the world small. When me run down Ninja Man with the cutlass, when he was trying to style me. Say, no, say me a bad boy from long time, so me not take shot. Yes, and I know me do God work now. So me do God work, me what's up on the case, auntie.
I've been watching you for years. I was fighting with Ninja Man. Go up at the building with Ninja Man with cutlass. It's years.
Alright. And you know them kind of people afraid of Ninja Man like puss. And a Ninja Man yard me go. I go said, hey boy Ninja. The boy afraid for a Ninja Man yard. When me roll up in the war vehicle up a Ninja Man yard. But until a long time you watch me man. You see the world small people. I never see a case like this. I see it and me have to come and solve your niece thing now. Because first thing the news is saying the place where them carry up, where them carry a niece go kill her. Them never carry a niece up, they go kill her. Them carry a niece up, they go burn her. You understand? And the news now talk say a 4 shot them give the little baby and give a niece 2 shot. And me have to make them know the one of them thing there. You understand? That for sure said the girl ate the baby so much. Oh, you have to eat a baby as a mother. Yo, that woman that's sick. Yo, that woman that's hang. That woman that's get an injection needle. And then they eat. Remember, you know, mama. See that? You know, say this morning, ask anybody, you know. A $1.10 million I'm going to give it to poor people today, the auntie. You understand?
That's a good deed.
You understand? That's some things there. And the boy, them take away 2 beautiful life. Future Prime Minister, future C.
If you're new to the channel, just a pass through, click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you now will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Don't tell the reason again. My sentiments for you and yours, of course, for no live, love, and prosper, and for no stay tuned until the reason again. Now, a quick recap. Toshyna Patterson's family stating that this was a wicked crime, unprovoked, and a senseless crime, and justice must be served. Talk to me in the comment section and tell me what you think.